Welcome to Avenew, where we're building the future of infrastructure. At Avenew, we work hand in hand with cities, towns, and private enterprise to build, maintain, and revitalize critical assets, from roads and bridges to utilities, efficiently and sustainably. With cutting-edge technology and innovative financing, we extend the life of your infrastructure, keeping it like new for longer. With Avenew, communities gain a dedicated ally in creating resilient, sustainable infrastructure for generations to come.
Avenew was founded to help large asset owners, predominantly local units of government, small cities, towns, counties, to be a unique problem-solving entity.
We provide a unique perspective from advising services all the way to construction management. We can bring creative solutions and unique approaches for the local government because we've been in those positions, we've been in those seats. Whether it was elected officials, appointed officials, city engineers, county engineers, they're all on our team.
Avenew is a proud part of the Heritage Group. The Heritage Group is a fourth-generation family business powering innovation across heavy construction, environmental services, and specialty chemicals. This powerful alliance gives Avenew access to vast resources, cutting-edge research, and industry-leading expertise.
With Avenew, it definitely benefits Milestone just because of the relationship with Heritage. Everybody all comes together. You need the aggregate, you need the estimators, you need Avenew getting with the city and getting the work together.
Working with Milestone and Avenew, the quality of work that they provide is impeccable. When we encounter an issue, we're able to talk and come to a solution versus causing any delays. The partnership is key to a successful project.
We have a lot of partnerships from our prior experiences, and we know what their specialties are, and we oftentimes can connect those dots in a much quicker fashion.
They've got folks on the front end, they've been in the industry, they understand the challenges municipalities face on a day-to-day basis. We have limited resources internally. We've got a lot of talented individuals, but sometimes it comes down to we just don't have enough time.
Projects usually sit in development for years. Avenew came to us with this method that gave us a way to get these roads that really needed work that wouldn't have gotten it for probably the next 10 years and allowed us to make that work happen quickly. It makes my job so much easier.
It's been a real collaborative atmosphere, and having all of that expertise at the table has been a tremendous burden off of us. They've kind of helped us and guide us through the whole process.
We want to see our customers achieve greater success. I want to see those people grow and become better and serve our community at a higher level.
It's great to see these communities thrive because ultimately we all live in a lot of these different communities. Being able to help take the dollar and make it run even further is really cool to see. It makes me very excited about the future.
At Avenew, we're your partners in building stronger, smarter, and more sustainable communities. Whether you're a small town or a bustling city, Avenew has the tools, expertise, and vision to help you thrive. Together, we can create extraordinary places to drive, work, and live. Join us in our mission to build the future of infrastructure. Connect with Avenew today.